hashtags are not dead. You're just using them wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you why hashtags do still matter and how you can use them to boost your social media SEO. Hi, if you're new here, my name's Tanya. I'm a musician, blogger, passive income and SEO specialist, and I help creative entrepreneurs like you get found online, grow your audience, and boost your sales. And in today's video, we're gonna start out by talking about hashtags. You know, those little pound signs that we all love to hate. Maybe you've heard people say hashtags are outdated or they don't work anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not true. Hashtags are still a very powerful tool for creating visibility and engagement when you use them correctly. Let's take a quick look at some stats. And did you know hashtags can also influence searchability on YouTube and LinkedIn? So if hashtags boost discoverability, why do so many people think hashtags don't work? Well, it's because they're making one of these three common mistakes. The first mistake is they're using overly popular hashtags like hashtag love or hashtag instagood. And the problem with these hashtags is they get millions and millions of views every single day, and it's so easy for your post to get lost in the midst of all that clutter. The second mistake is using irrelevant hashtags. For example, you have a new online course out and you use hashtag fitness, but that doesn't relate to your course. That's not going to look good on you, and Instagram and TikTok are not going to rank that hashtag, nor is YouTube. They are smart and they know what these words mean, and they know they don't relate to your video. Therefore, they're not going to rank them. So the hack of using a popular hashtag to rank your video is not going to help. And even if it does rank your video, it's not going to rank your video to the audience that you're looking for. So make sure all your hashtags are relevant. And then finally, mistake number 3, hashtag stuffing. This is similar to keyword stuffing in SEO for blog posts. Once upon a time, you used all 30 hashtags every single time. That is no longer the case. Instead, use 5 to 8 hashtags targeted towards the specific topic of your post and your audience. Now let's talk about how to use hashtags strategically. Here's what's working in 2025. Step 1, research your hashtags. Use tools like Hashtagify, ChatGPT, or the built-in analytics on Instagram to find hashtags that are relevant to your niche. Step 2, mix it up. Combine high volume hashtags with medium volume and niche specific ones. This will increase your chance of being found by both large audiences as well as audiences specific to your niche. Step 3, monitor your results. Track your hashtags, see which ones are bringing in the most engagement, and then refine your strategy over time. Now, hashtag strategies vary by platform, so let's break it down. On Instagram, place hashtags in the caption or the first comment. Use a mix of branded, niche, and trending hashtags. On TikTok, use hashtags that align with trends and challenges but stay relevant to your content. And for YouTube, add hashtags to your video description and title. They help categorize your content for better search results. Now, the only way you're going to be able to widen your reach is to take action. So here are your 3 action steps that I want you to take today, right now, as soon as this video is over. Number 1, research 15 to 20 niche specific hashtags using a tool like Hashtagify or ChatGPT. 2, create a list of 3 to 5 hashtags for each type of content you post. And 3, start testing and tracking your hashtag performance. Remember that hashtags are a tool. In essence, they are SEO, and when used correctly, they will help get your content in front of the right audience. Now it's your turn. I want you to try one hashtag strategy this week and let me know how it goes down in the comments. If you want to dive deeper into SEO and social media strategies, check out my membership, Creative SEO. I'll link it down below in the description. And if you want to monetize your newfound social reach, check out this video. And until next time, peace out. Thank you. That's really helpful.